Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today let us cook chani dal. This is also one of the food that Pakistani people loves to eat. This kind of dal is a split dal. First, I have 1 cup of chani dal. Boil it until it got soft. After boiling the chani dal, I fried 2 medium size of onion. Chop it. Medium size of chopped tomato. Fry it as well until it got cooked. It takes 5 minutes for the tomato to be cooked in a medium fire. And then close it for a while. After 1 minute, check and it will be like this. So now our tomato is cooked. Mix it and then add some ingredients that we will be needed. Since it's not really cooked, so I'm going to cook it for another 1 minute. And here it is. Our tomato is soft and looks really cooked. Now we will be adding those ingredients that we need. Half teaspoon of chili flakes, optional. Half teaspoon of salt. Be careful with the salt because our chani has already salt. And add the chani dal or boiled chani dal. Mix it well. Turn off the fire and let it mix again for a while, but be careful. Now our chani dal is cooked. Let's add some toppings or let us finish it with green chili. Cut the green chili in a thin slice like this and then garnish it on our chani dal or cooked chani dal. You can also garnish it with coriander leaves, shredded ginger, dry fry onions, or garlic, or garam masala. We use garam masala always after cooking the food. This way you can really smell and taste the nice taste of garam masala, which is mix of zira seeds and black pepper. This is how easy to cook chani dal. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and click the notification bell. See you on my next video.